God, this thing is a mess. That rust is gonna be a nightmare. God, it's packed in there. Years of it. Nothing's getting through that. All right, time to check this hulk. Seems solid enough, but this rust is deep. Better tap this spot. The fangs are bent and caked in mud. Looks like years of neglect.
All right, hook it up tight. Chains are on, engaging the winch. Slow and steady. Check the tension.
Pull. Come on, you rusted heap. Just a little further. Keep it steady. Up a little higher.
Almost there. Slowly, slowly.
Stop. Hold it right there. Good. All right, that's one secured. Good. Move to the next axle. We need this ready by nightfall. All right, Skull Titan X-24. Looks like we got our work cut out for us. All right, let's get this thing cleaned up. All right, Skull Titan, time for a little elbow grease. Almost got it, this corrosion is deep. Just need a rinse now, check that shine. All right, let's see what's left up here.
Looks pretty bad.
Nothing we can't handle. All right, Skull Titan, let's start with these wells. All right, that's the last of it. Not bad, Mira. All right, let's see what we've got here. All right, you're not gonna beat me. There, got it. All right, Skull Titan X-24, let's see what horrors you've got in there. Just as I thought, a complete mess of rust and grime. This is gonna be a long night. All right, here we go. That's a lot of oil. All right, you corroded beast.
Need a hand with that?
Got it. All right, that's the last one. Check the feed. God, these are rusted tight. Finally. All right, next one. All right, hooks secured. Starting the hoist. Slow and steady, easy. Holding steady, copy. Keep it steady, slowly. Just a little more.
Looking good.
Watch the clearance, easy. All right, team, the heart's out. Let's prep it for the upgrade. Roger that. Ready for your instructions. Engage the forks.
Yeah.
Slow and steady, detach the coupling. Lift clear, move it to the right bay. Looks good. Keep it steady. Guide it slowly.
Almost clear. Bring it over here.
Watch the ground. Easy. All right, this is what we have. It's rough, but we can make it work. All right, time to strip the gunk off these. The vat's ready. Let's get them in. Almost there. This rust is tougher than I expected. Keep going, Mira. It needs to be perfect. Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment.
Yeah.
Contact, hold, monitor the temperature.
Submerged.
Submerged. Let it soak. All right, that looks much better. Just a little more on this edge. Keep it steady. Slowly.
Maintain tension.
Okay. Contact. Let the bath do its work. Keep it steady, team. Let's get these rails clear of the tank.
Got it, boss. Moving slow and sure.
The Skull Titan's ready for its skin. Every weld is perfect, the anti-rust holds. All right, Skull Titan, let's see if this new unit fits the bill. Time to get these brakes on, Skull Titan. No more excuses. Perfect fit. The Skull Titan X-24 is taking shape. All right, timing marks look perfect. Just need to secure it now. All right, locked and loaded. Perfect, done. Perfect fit. The Skull Titan X-24 is ready. All right, beauty. Ready for her heart. That's one mean-looking ride coming for it. All right, looking good. Just needs a final polish. Okay, keep it steady. A little to the left. Just a bit more. That's it, hold it there.
Yeah.
Slow and steady, it's almost there. Now lower it down. Almost done with this one. Looks solid.
Hold steady, steady.
Lower it an inch.
Stop. Secure it now.
Looks good, tightening now. Almost there.
Good. Make it count.
Just one more turn. All right, slowly. Watch the alignment. Got it. Easy now. All right, that's done.
Yeah.
We got the last one in place. Now we roll. The Skull Titan X-24, ready for armor and paint. Almost done with the rough grit, then we'll go fine.
Looking good, Mira.
The second coat. Gotta make sure it's perfect this time. Looks good, Mira. Keep it steady. I know, this is the fun part. Almost done. And that's the Titan X-24. Beautiful.
Perfect. No orange peel anywhere.
Okay, that's the last stack. Perfectly clean. Line 1.
Check, check.
And secure. All right, fit check. Check. Slides right in. And locked.
All right, lowering now, nice and slow. Easy, easy, just a hair left. Perfect.
Looks good. Settling into place.
Got it. Secure the mounts.
All right, crew, let's torque those mounts. Secure the rear. Perfect. Perfect. Last bolt is set.
All right, slowly lower it now.
Clear on the right.
Perfect. Set it down. Hood secured, check the latches.
All right, that's the last one. Looks good, boss.
Power up initiated. Check system diagnostics.
Main system's online. All gauges in the green. Stability check complete. All right, Skull Titan, let's see what you can do.
The Skull Titan X-24, ready to roll.
The Skull Titan X-24, perfection. You like what you see, team? Looks incredible, Mira. She did it.